Welcome! In front of me I have Garett Tina smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this smartband. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. Before we start, if you want to change the screen timeout duration on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Glory Fit application, this one. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Glory Fit application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and here you should see your smartband called X3 basically. Now scroll down and find the option called Universal Settings, tap on it, and here we have on-screen time. Select it, then tap on bright screen length, and select one of the options. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. Select the one you like, and then go back to the device page, and now you can close the application. And now the screen should stay on my smartband for 10 seconds. So basically, after I touch the button, it should stay up for 10 seconds and then turn off automatically. So let's wait, and should be right around now, I believe. Yes. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.